When reconciling the bank balance to the cash book, which of the following need not to be in the adjusted cash book? First of all, in the adjusted cash book, remember, we deal with items that are in the items that appear in the bank statement but do not appear in the cash book. Those ones are the ones that we consider in the adjusted cash book. And then also, errors in the cash book are corrected in the adjusted cash book. So which one should not be? Should not. So bank charges. Bank charges is something that appears in the bank statement but does not appear in the cash book. So this one is dealt with in the adjusted cash book. We have direct debits. This is money that is put in the bank, but the people in the business are not aware of. So that is something that appears on the bank statement but does not appear in the cash book. So we correct this issue in the adjusted cash book. Then we have unpresented checks. So unpresented checks, this is a pending transaction. I mean, it's the check was issued, but it's just not yet presented. It could go through, it could not. So because it is still pending, this one is handled in the bank reconciliation statement. Then we have a dishonored check. A dishonored check is a check that was either issued or maybe it was received, but it has been dishonored. So because it has been dishonored, this one is no longer a pending transaction, so it is handled in the adjusted cash book. So the question says, which of the following need not be adjusted in the cash book? It is unpresented checks. Unpresented checks are not supposed to be handled in the adjusted cash book. They're supposed to be handled in the bank reconciliation statement. It is the rest that need to be handled in the adjusted cash book.